Hey guys, in today's video you'll learn everything you need to know about scraping data from the web using the Instant Data Scraper Chrome extension. You'll see how to extract lists from almost any website with just a few clicks, and how to copy that data directly into Google Sheets and use it for your own purposes. Whether you're building a lead list, doing research, or you just want to stop wasting time copy pasting, this tool will save you hours. So yeah, a lot of you guys been asking me in the private, like, yeah, man, how do you scrape data from the web? Like, I usually take hours copy pasting, and so yeah, I decided to make this video extra for you, for my friends, and also for all the people that are interested in. And yeah, let's say you want to have a list of barbers in London, okay? And here we are. We get all these barbershops, okay? And yeah, back in the days, you needed to copy the title. You write like the Humbler, and then you also have like mistakes, probably like Humbler barber shop, for example. You need to go there, go on the website, go on here, get that phone number, all this stuff, you know? But this tool actually makes it really easy for you to scrape all the data, and like I said, this will actually save you hours of time. So yeah, you can scrape almost every list, if it's LinkedIn, Google, whatever. Yeah, so and the best thing is you don't need like to use any code, and yeah, there's no coding required, no setup. You just need to install this this extension. Just type in the Google, like I'm using Chrome, the Chrome browser right now. Just type in the extensions gallery Instant Data Scraper, and you'll see like this Pokeball, very cool logo. And yeah, just install this install this extension, and you're ready to go. Restart your browser if necessary, if it's not working on the first time. And yeah, so let's see how are we gonna start. So we have like the barbers here, and yeah, let's say I want to scrape all this list, or even I can scrape all like the whole Google search result list, yeah. But yeah, let's say we want to scrape this list. So I go here to get the whole list displayed, and you see the whole list will be like when you will have like a lot of results, okay? And what I just do is I click on this extension, and it will open me a new browser um, window. Yeah, and actually here you see the results. And if I go like and start like scraping, this won't work right now because it's on the wrong list, okay? You see when I go back to my previous window, on it's like redly marked what will be scraped, and this is like the list above the list. And actually what we need to do now is just like to change the list, or like change table. I click here on try another table, and here we go. Here you see the name of the barbers, the ratings, like the ratings and how many ratings they have, the description of it, the phone number, when it's open, the type of service they deliver, the website they have, the Google link, and all the other information. And yeah, so what we need to do first is to locate the next button, okay? And you see this list will be scraped. It's like highlighted here. And we need to we need to find this button. I click on this button. Okay, I clicked, and now it's marked. Now everything is fine, okay? This is important because the scraper will go the whole list down, like will go through the whole list, and when it's finished, when it's down here, it will click automatically on this button. So the next list, like the next page of the list, will appear. And yeah, I have located this, and now I can just start. This is not important. You can keep the settings, okay? And yeah, I just click start crawling, and this will take a minute. You see how many pages they're scraped, how many rows they're collected. There are like actually 10 rows on every page. It is going through every page right now. And yeah, we're just waiting until it's finishing. 11, already 120 rows collected. So imagine you put like, you need, how much time you would need to put like 140, 150 people into Google Sheets manually with all the data. This will take you like days probably. And yeah, let's see how many rows this will collect, you know? And you see the results down here. Yeah. Already 220 barbershops in the UK. Great. It's already working around like 1 minute. Cool. Probably I'll need to cut this shorter, but yeah, usually it doesn't take so much time, but it has like a lot of results right now. So yeah. And I think this is the last page. Nearly the last page. 33 pages, 309 data rows collected. And yeah, I think this is enough for the demonstration. I can stop the crawling always here. But yeah, let's just keep it rolling. It's already 40 pages scraped. This is crazy how many pages there are. I'll just stay on this in this window. And yeah, wow, okay, I'm amazed. 350 people collected already. But yeah, I'll stop it for this purpose now. Usually, then when it stops, there appears like a sign here. Oh, crawling stopped. Check if everything is all right. And when we go back, we see we're like we're actually at the last page here. Okay, so yeah, what I can do now is I can download this directly as a comma separated file sheet. Okay, or I can download it as an Excel file, or just copy it to my clipboard. What I like is I just like copy it because you will see there will be some errors and mistakes. So I go here, delete this, so I have like an empty table. If not, you just create a new page, like I'm here in Google Sheets, you know. Go on the first row, A1, and just press Command V or Control V on Windows. And you see, all the data is in my spreadsheet here right now. Like 367 barbers with the website, with everything. Like, it's amazing, with the phone number. Yeah, so the only thing that you need to do, you see here the title of it, but this is because of Google, because this is the name of the Google stuff. We just call it name. What you can do is also mark this as bold, so you know this is the first row. Then you get like details. You just name your columns what they're named, you know, like rating, number of ratings. Yeah, if you like, this is showing you how long this business is already established. Sorry, this in German. I use my Windows in German, like my software, my computer. Yeah, you can go like phone number. This is when it's opening. This is right now it's closed for what reason ever. But yeah, we delete it because we don't need it. We don't need this. We also don't need this. We delete it. Yeah, we also don't need this. We just clean it up a little bit. We don't need this. We don't need this. And we don't need this, okay? So, for example, for my case, I do websites, okay? And if I want to find people that don't have like websites, I just go and see, okay, where is this empty, you know? And if you like, I'll show you an additional trick here. I just export this. I also don't need this. And I can like remove this, like here. For example, I want to remove the minus here because I don't like it. Okay, I just go here on the function like search and replace. This is the German name of it, if it would work. Hello. Okay, it's not working somehow. Nevertheless, okay, it's fine. We can keep the minus. It's okay for the demonstration. I go like on download and go on CSV, okay? And I can actually open this in Notion, for example. Let's go here to my Notion. Okay. Yeah, I want to have a new page. And let's say I call this page leads, okay? Open a new database. Inline is completely fine. And now you see I can import a CSV file. I choose my CSV file. And actually, yeah, I need to save it. But these are like my barbers in London, okay? I save it into my download folder. And you see it's appearing here right now. So yeah, I just open it. It will take a second to upload. Map CSV headers, and we have everything we need here, okay? And yeah, import this. And here we are. We have all the barbers here with the phone number, with the rating, the number of ratings, the website, okay? And let's say I want to filter this. I can name this like leads or like barbers in London. Yeah. And I can put a filter here, for example, for the query website. When I find the website, here the name is wrong somehow. Like I call it website question mark, just like for the purpose here. I put this right in front so I can see it. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And I'll put the filter now. So I will filter by website and is empty. Okay. And now I got displayed all the barbershops in London that don't already have a website. And then I can just call them from here, make notes from the call. Okay, I can make the call, the notes here. And yeah, that's actually it. It's not hard. I didn't use any coding, and I got a list of like 360 barbers in a specific area with ratings, with everything. So this tool is just amazing. It's yeah. And the best is like you can use it on every list. You can use it like on LinkedIn lists. You can use it like in Google, like I did right now, and yeah, product listings if you want to have like if you want to search for products. I don't know what your use case is. Just try out this extension here, okay? And yeah, just keep in mind this works best in structured lists, and always respect also the website terms and privacy laws, okay? Yeah, keep this data good for yourself and avoid actually using like scraping personal data, okay? These right now are businesses. They have their like business data openly available, so it's I think it's fine. And yeah, also just for demonstration. And yeah, so that's it actually. So yeah, thank you for your time. I hope this was beneficial to you. If it was, like, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. There will be like more videos like this where I show cool tools and cool extensions, for example, and use cases that you can use for your for your digital business or whatever you need. Yeah. So see you soon, guys, and I'll keep you updated. Bye bye.